Jai Srimannarayana. 15th sloka of 17th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Anudvegakaram Vakyam Satyam Priyahitancha yat Svadhyaya Abhyasanam chaiva Vangmayam Tapavuchyate. Om. Every day spend some time in reading our authentic spiritual Vedic texts. Whatever you speak, make sure the words that you are using is not hurting others, and whatever you speak must be the truthful, pleasing and beneficiary to others. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam Saranam Vraja Ma Suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana, following these lines. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimannarayana, I shall definitely spend some time every day in reading our Vedic, authentic spiritual books. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall make sure whatever the words that I am using in my speech is not hurting others and always truthful, pleasing and beneficiary to others. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Srimannarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava. I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your word. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam Sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krityam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam vudirayet. Om Haraye Namaha. Srimad Bhagavatamu Dasamaskandhamu 10th Skandham 347th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshit Narendra, saying that, "Ho Parikshit Narendra, Krishna Paramatma has taken away the clothes of Gopikas who were doing Snanam." Now Gopikas saying like this, "Ho Krishna, Kunti Vima Hrudayambulu, Kunti Vima Manamu Lajja Kuntivi, Valuval Kuntivi, Ika Netlu Chesedo, Kuntevu Gada, Ninnu Nerigi Kuntimi Krishna." Oh Krishna, you have stolen our minds, our hearts. You have stolen everything of ours. You have stolen now all the clothes. We do not know, we cannot understand that what you are going to be doing next. You are such a naughty boy. Oh Krishna, oh Padmanayana, please give us our clothes. Then Krishna Paramatma, the one who has such a beautiful smiley face, such Krishna Paramatma saying, "Oh my dear Gopikas, you all come out from that water and come to me, take away your clothes." When Krishna said like that, tat kshvelitam drishtva gopyaha prema pariplutaha. Gopikas getting so much shy after listening to Krishna Paramatma's naughty words. And Gopikas looking at each other, smiling at each other, shying at each other, and they are not coming from the water. And they heard Krishna's naughty words. Their minds were totally captivated by Govinda's, Krishna's naughty words. Akanthamagnaha sitode. They are all the way up to their throat in the water, cold water, and they are getting shivering. It is very cold. Yet they are not coming out of that water, and they are getting shy after listening to Govinda's words, and now they are responding to Krishna Paramatma like this. What are those Gopikas saying to Krishna? We will learn tomorrow. Om Haraye Namaha. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatuno Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. कृष्णेनामरशत्रवो विनिहताः कृष्णाय तस्मै नमः. कृष्णादेव समुत्थितं जगदिदं कृष्णस्य दासोऽस्म्यहं. कृष्णे तिष्ठति विश्वमेतदखिलं. हे कृष्ण संरक्ष माम्. श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 17th chapter 15th श्लोका. अनुद्वेगकरं वाक्यं सत्यं प्रियहितं च यत् स्वाध्यायाभ्यसनं चैव वाङ्मयं तप उच्यते. अनुद्वेगकरं वाक्यं सत्यं प्रियहितं च यत् स्वाध्यायाभ्यसनं चैव वाङ्मयं तप उच्यते. श्रीमन्नारायण करिष्ये वचनं तव. सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु. जय श्रीमन्नारायण.